Alright guys, bins galore tonight. This is the golf nut version of Subterfuge box break number 1777777. Who is going to get Edmonton? I'm guessing Todd. Todd's got to get Edmonton in this one. I'm going to rig the wheel right now. SB, ding used, 15, 16. Winnipeg Jets. Ah! Called it. And this will probably, because with Todd's luck, this will probably be my first box with a McDavid in it. Just saying. Alright, so here we go. Nick, Polfy, Tex, Newbie, Matt, Jack of Hearts, Rick, Newbie. See, everybody's cheering for you tonight, Todd. It's your night. Rick, Nick, and Rick. Wow, that hurts. Nick, Newbie, and Todd. Some Polfy in there. Todd, Jack of Hearts. So Rick, 3 darts. Nick, 3, and then back to Rick. Now let's do it in the order purchase. So Rick, single 11, or at least the order on my sell sheet. Triple 15, single 16. Get some prizes out to you guys. Todd's got his collector points updated. Here you go, Nick PEI, you got triple 6. Triple 20, nice. And oh, Newbie, you're in this one, buddy. Come back. And a single 8s. Yeah, he'll be back. And Rick, 3 more. Hey, Prism Pack for Rick. If I have any there. Triple 5. Double 4. And triple 11. Need a prism stuff here? No, I gotta crack a fresh box for you. Do I have a fresh box? That would be painful if I didn't. But I do. You calling it Ehlers? I'm calling one of those, what do you got? Inked jerseys, inked rookie jerseys with a ding right, ripped, torn right in the bottom middle. But I've seen a bunch of those on eBay too. Alright, so Rick, having you this one here. Let's see what you get. Jack Campbell rookie card for Rick. A little extra shininess for you. And that was it for the darts. And NE and Nick with the wheel spin. Washington Capitals is an extra dart for Nick. And of course he could win something, other prizes in here. Well, you got a triple 6, not bad. Newbie, you just left the house. Wow, really? I can believe that. Newbie, you got the Islanders. I don't have any hickeys, and I think I'm giving you a magnet because I've been giving away magnets all night. So here we go. You needed a 6? Nice. That works. So, Newbie, you got Sons of Anarchy, I think that is. Sons of Anarchy. Magnet for you. And Todd. You need the Islanders too? Hey, how about a magnet with the San Jose Sharks, Todd? Todd's 4th magnet of the night. Here we go. This will be another random one. Not to Mole magnet, mole magnet. Hey, Donald Duck Cohen Candy Coated Bubble Ball. For 1 cent. That's a lot of balls for what? Oh, I'm not going to go there. Alright. Donald Duck. Alright. So that's shenanigans. We're on ones for this break. All I got to do is rip open this box here and show Todd as McDavid. And then we'll move on to the next break. It's totally going to happen. Just know it. Fate. Ooh, it's a Darcy Crumpler pack. I don't want to mess with this one. Oh man. Yeah, you're going to have one heck of a package coming. One thickie, 4 thinnies. All-Star jersey, Anze Kopitar going to Rick. I don't know what it is, I haven't looked, but there you go. Anze Kopitar, that's going to get Rick, it's going to get you a single one, the mem. Oh, is that numbered? Oh yeah, cool. Palthy. Oh yeah, these are numbered, I'm an idiot. Matt Pumpo at a $3.99 rookie jersey. The bottom left corner is a little, it's not really dinged, it's just bad cutting. Yeah, probably. It's a thin card. Rookie inked sweaters with the damage on the bottom. Going to Todd. Number 21 of 99 in ridiculously sick, retarded condition. Thank you, Upper Deck, for damaging this card to make it practically worthless. There you go, Todd. Thomas Hurdle. Man, like, how can they let that stuff happen? I don't get it. Let's go right into Todd's. Whoa. Andrew Miller out of 55. A little dinged up. 45 of 55. Andrew Miller rookie card. Yeah. Huh? I'm guessing that is the wrong Oiler. Just put it out there. But that's going to get you a single one. And finishing her off, last card is going to go to Jack of Hearts. Oh, nice little 2-color patch of Tyler Seguin. Unfortunately, there's some damage on the bottom corner. Not too bad. Out of 25, that's going to get you a triple one. This corner is a little janky. And this corner. Excuse me while I barf again at the condition of Upper Deck's cards. So there we go, guys. That was a pretty good box, actually. If this Hurdle wasn't destroyed, it was a pretty decent box. Alright. Thank you guys for your support. We'll catch you on the next one. Actually, there's a box of SB Game Used going up in 4 minutes. I'm sure there's going to be a rush to bid on those janky cards. Have a good night.